Hey, what's up? So I've had some minor disappointments as I've gotten back into card collecting after taking a break for 30 years with the value boxes, but I'm moving up. This time I have a hobby box. These are the ones that cost $90. So there's a guaranteed autograph or relic card somewhere in here. I'm hoping for the Larry David one. Wouldn't mind Barry Bonds. Triple autograph would be wonderful. I'm shooting really big here. I want a big chase card in this one. And if I don't get it one, I'm going to be pretty disappointed. But I'm going in with some optimism. So let's see what this hobby box has to yield. So of course it's not the very best you can get. You can get a jumbo, which has one guaranteed autograph and two relics in addition. So this one just has one guaranteed autograph or a relic. So here we go. Got Aaron Judge on the cover. Wouldn't mind a Judge autograph. That would work for me. All right, let's get to breaking these up. Another cool feature with the hobby box is it comes with the packs I'm going to save for last, which are the silver packs. Never seen one of these before. Pretty cool looking. So that will be what I end up with. So pack number one here. Let's see what we've got. Got Xavier Edwards, Jonah Heim, Miami Marlins, Garrett Cole. Got a future star in Tyler Soderstrom, Rafael Devers, Mark Ventos, Ha-Seong Kim, Bradley Baylock, Charlie Blackmon. Got a 1990 tops here, Jacob Wilson. These are cool looking. I did collect 1990 tops, so a little bit of a flashback for me. And Julio Rodriguez for pack number one. Nothing spectacular. No Larry David so far, but let's see what pack number two yields. Got Chase McDermott, Jordan Alvarez, Dylan Moore, Will Warren, Michael Garcia, Nolan Arenado, Trey Sweeney in a City jersey. Not good to drop anything here, but here we go. Got Baltimore Orioles. I don't know what they're celebrating. Losing early in the playoffs, I guess. Eugenio Suarez. Freddie Freeman. Greatest hits. Manny Machado. And Ryan Jeffers. That's it for pack number two. Pack number three. Not getting my $90 worth just yet. All right, we've got Ryan Mountcastle, Carlos Correa, Ernie Clement. This one is National League RBI leaders. It's got Shohei Ohtani, Adames, and Machado. Wish those were signed. Jordan Westberg. Got a perfect weather and SD card here. All right. Travis d'Arnaud, Bailey Ober, Jake Cronenworth, Brooks Baldwin, Brenton Doyle, and Luis De Los Santos. Probably the worst of the packs so far. get much worse. Come on. Let's see if my luck turns here in pack number 4. Mike Tauchman. Jazz Chisholm. We've got a future star, Jackson Holiday. Nico Horner. Corey Lee. Ranger Suarez, one of the coolest names. Reese Hines. Hunter Green. Ryan Pepio. And a Boston Red Sox team card. Zach Nato. And Jake Irvin to wrap up pack number 4. All right, on to number 5. Wonder where that relic or autograph card is. I like that the drama and suspense are rolling and building. It makes it more exciting. I'm glad I didn't put right away. Although I wouldn't mind getting more than one. David Hamilton. Sterling Marte. Ellie De La Cruz. Incoming slam dunk talent from Cleveland Guardians. Danny Jansen. Got a triple card, the same one before the RBI leaders. Right? Batting average leaders. Shohei's on that too. Marcell Ozuna. Francisco Lindor. DJ Hertz. Isaac Paredes. Got Juan Soto. All-Star. And Casey Mize. That's it for that pack. Moving right along. Edwin Diaz. Ceddanne Rafaela. Let's Dance, Atlanta Braves. Mitch Keller. There are Dancing Dodgers cards in here. I don't like the Dodgers, but I wouldn't mind one of those, because they're rare. Ryan Bliss. Josh Naylor. Corbin Carroll. D-back King. Seth Lugo. Lars Nootbaar. He should be a candy bar endorsement guy. Shea Whitcomb. Another 1990. This is Willie Mays. That's pretty cool. Get a good look at that baby. I like it. I like Willie Mays. Never had a Willie Mays card before. And this is another triple one. This is the ERA leaders. So here's these ERA leaders. All right. Next pack. Rest in peace, Willie Mays. All right, here we go. Starting up this new one. It's Andrew Vaughn. I've lost count of what pack I'm on now. Aaron Judge. Wish this was autographed, but still a cool Aaron Judge card. Nacho Alvarez Jr. Kane Thomas. Freddie Peralta. Nathaniel Lowe. Braves team card. I think I've had that one already. Austin Riley. Anthony Volpe. Pete Crow Armstrong. Some kind of insert card here. Dropped it. This is Freddie Furman. The refractor. And Jung Ho Lee. All right. Not seeing anything too spectacular so far, but we've got a ways to go. The silver pack just beckons at the end of the lineup. At the end of the bench, just waiting to get called in. Let's start off with this one in the back. This is Jack Kojandowicz. This is definitely some kind of chase card in here. Not exactly sure what it is. No, is it? No. Can't tell. Looks a little different than the others, though. Let's set that aside. Connor Joe. Blake Dunn, Michael Toglia, Trevor Miguel, Nathan Eovaldi, New York Yankees, World Series loser card, Ketel Marte. There we go. One of my favorite D-backs. I'm wearing a Ketel jersey right now. Dub and Drench on a wing and a prayer for the Red Sox. Don't know why the Red Sox would be drenched. They had a really bad season last year. Spencer Steer. Chase card in here. This is a Fractor. It's Abraham Toro. It's too bad this guy did not play for the Tucson Toros, minor league baseball team of my youth. And Mookie Betts in 1990. Not a fan of Mookie, but love pulling the 1990 cards. All right, next pack. Xander Bogaerts, Aaron Schunk, Kenta Maeda, Mike Yastrzemski, Shohei Ohtani. No autograph. Shohei instead. Shohei it is. Pedro Pages, Brant Herter, Taylor Ward, Brandon Marsh, Beardman, Angel Martinez, and John Gray, and Connor Wong. All right, not a good pack. Where is that relic card hiding? Let's see. This pack's giving me a little trouble. Maybe this is the magical one. Gunnar Henderson, nice long ball man. Joe Ryan, Dalton Varsho, Jake Bloss, Tariq Skubal, Narco Luciano, Dylan Cruz, Eloy Jimenez. I hope he's been to Eloy, Arizona, about an hour from here. Will Castro, Chris Bassett. This is Taj Bradley. This one has a different border. Not sure what's quite going on with this thing. Might be rare, doubt it, but we'll see. I'll set it aside. Cedric Mullins. All right, that was not the magic pack I was hoping for. One of these has to be, though. Let's move on to the next one. Davis Schneider. Another triple card. This will be wins leaders. Jorge Soler. Sandy Alcantara. Kobe Mayo. Zach Eflin. Jose Miranda. Luis Garcia Jr. Got a relic card. This is probably the only relic I'm getting in this one. This is Yoshinobu Yamamoto. It's a jersey card, looks like. Never had a jersey card. 1990 Topps baseball relic card. So there we go. This is what I paid the $90 for. Not an autograph, but a relic. There could be another one in here, but I'm not counting on it. Definitely the best pull of the lot, though, because that's a money card. And then Carlos Rodriguez. Still a few packs left. Got Jake Cave, Michael King, Aurelius Martinez, Colt Keith. It's got some kind of award on there. Can't quite read it. Luis Rengifo, Brady Singer, Mason Wynn, Shea Whitcomb, Eloy Jimenez again, Will Castro, and a call to the hall, Ken Griffey Jr. These are an insert card. Not bad. And Cody Bellinger. Matt Chapman. Carlos Narvaez. Luis Robert. Luis Gill. Grant McRae. Andrew Benintendi, who should be a Nintendo spokesman. Christopher Sanchez. Adael Amador. And Chris Bassett. Triple card. These guys are the RBI leaders. And Tyler Stevenson. And Marcus Stroman. Next pack. Brooks Lee. Jameson Talon. Anthony Rizzo. Bravan Rocchio. Brian De La Cruz. Tyler Locklear. Emmanuel Clace. Zach Wheeler. Diamondbacks Nemesis. Christian Mena. Will Brennan. Got a 1990 Hank Aaron. Pretty cool. Ooh, not that cool. Jacob Wilson will wrap up that pack. Next pack. Got a future star here. This is going to be Yoshinobu Yamamoto. Hoop Dreams. Nothing but net. Okay. Don't get that, but whatever. Matsutaka Yoshida here. Tyrone Taylor. Brant Rooker. Spencer Schwellenbach. Riley Green. Mitch Haniger. Dylan Cease. Michael McGreevy. Got a refractor here with Eric Fetty. And Jose Ramirez. Alrighty, we are down 5 regular packs left and then the big silver to finish things off. So here is the countdown. This is 5th to last regular one. We've got Josh Jung. Chicago Cubs. Depression photo. If you're a Cubs fan. Geraldo Perdomo. Triple card. These guys are the wins leaders. Ronald Acuna Jr. Rhys Hoskins. Corey Seager. Brandon Pfaadt. Unreliable. Like him, but come on, man. Got to get it together so rotation's short up. Clayton Kershaw. Hope he doesn't get it short up. Sonny Gray. Got a 1990 coming up here. This is Hayden Birdsong. And Jake Rogers. 4th to last regular pack here. Come on, Larry David. You got to be in here somewhere, right? We've got a future star, Evan Carter. Looks like a Minnesota Twins team card. Ryan O'Hearn. Trevor Larnach. Yilbert Diaz. Yainer Diaz. J.R. Crawford. Paul Blackburn. Thairo Estrada. Tyler Phillips. We've got a Trouter here. This is a Mike Trout. Z? I don't know what this is exactly. But there's Mike Trout. Hope he can keep from getting injured again this year. And we got Brian Hayes. All right, 3 packs left before the silver. Teoscar Hernandez, Ahmed Rosario, Adrian De Castillo, Diamondback I'm not too familiar with, Joe Adell, Padres team card, Diamondbacks nemesis as well, Max Scherzer, Jake Berger, definitely needs to open a burger restaurant, David Festa, Zach DeZenzo, Seth Brown, Nick Gordon, and Patrick Bailey. All right, 2 more regular packs, then we're on to the silver. And we'll wrap things up. This one feels a little thicker than normal. Let's see if that comes out to be true, or if it's just my mind playing tricks on me at this late stage. This is Cole Reagans, Miles McCollum, Drew Romo, Shea Langeliers, Matt Yearling, Lamonte Wade Jr., Joey Castillo, Taj Bradley, Cincinnati Reds card, Nick Lodolo, got Juju Watkins. All right, this is pretty cool. This is, I believe, a WNBA star. Yeah, it is. So that's cool. Interesting pull there, Juju. Wish it was signed, but not bad. I'll take it. One of the highlights. And River Ryan. Okay, now last regular pack until we are to the silver. Okay, Tanner Scott, Christopher Morel, Tigers team card, Abraham Toro, again, Mauricio Dubon in the city jersey, Luis Castillo, Tyler Gentry, Michael Bush, Bryson Stott, Van Rice, Andres Jimenez, and Josh Hader. This has got to be the worst of the packs so far. All right, here comes that silver. Let's see what is waiting for me in this beautiful silver pack. Another one of the perks of buying the hobby box. Let's see here. I'm going to skip to the end. Home of the hobby. Okay, this is just some kind of weird advertisement card. Annoying. These are pretty. We've got Tony Gwynn. Hitting stud. Rest in peace. Shohei. Not bad at hitting either. Altuve. And I've got myself an autograph. Not a great one, but hell, I'll take it. This is my first autograph card, the real one I've ever pulled. This is Nacho Alvarez. Not bad at all. So nice way to end things. Thanks for sitting through that with me, guys, and I'll catch you on the next break.